Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with its name, and at the back, specifications like display, camera and battery. So let's open the box. First, you can see this hidden lid with a SIM ejector tool at the back. Inside the lid, we have documentation like a quick start guide, regional lock guide and warranty card, which will give you information about the phone. Here we have Samsung Galaxy A03s. The phone has a notch display. At the back, we have a 13 megapixel triple camera setup. The phone looks stylish in this color. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data, and a 2-pin wall charger. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy A03s box. Thank you so much for watching this video.